What's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? You've tuned into Rules for Rebels, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the number one reason why most people are failing at Shopify right now. Now, this video should be pretty brief. I just kind of wanted to touch on something. So I just happened to see a Reddit post a few minutes ago, and the title of the Reddit post was something along the lines of, how long did it take you to find your niche? And the guy who was asking this, he went on to say in kind of the follow-up below his question, he said, I've been searching for a niche forever. I'm going in circles. I haven't found anything. How long did it take you to find your niche? Now, I think this is kind of where most people right now are going wrong with Shopify, right? There's a million reasons why people are failing at Shopify. They got bad products, they got bad pricing, their shipping takes too long, they're asking too much stuff during checkout, their website doesn't act as a sales funnel and drive somebody to buy. There's all types of reasons why people are failing at Shopify. But one of the biggest reasons in terms of why I see people failing at Shopify, it's not even about what they're doing tactically, where they're advertising, pricing. It's that people go into Shopify, and I've talked about this before, people go into Shopify thinking it's just this magic ATM machine, right? So a lot of people like, hey, I want to open up a Shopify store and drop ship and make all this money, right? Like we all kind of see those posts, but the idea that you're gonna, and I think I made another video talking about winning products. I hate the idea of winning products, and the idea of finding your niche or winning niches is kind of the same thing as, oh man, some fucking guys block the exit, block the entrance to Dunkin' Donuts. But I think the idea of like winning niches is kind of similar to the idea of winning products. Like, ultimately, Shopify is nothing more than a website builder. Like, yes, it has put the ability to start a business and make a really kind of nice looking, well-functioning website in the hands of any old idiot. And I don't say that to offend anybody. When I first started my business, I was any old idiot, and I happened to stumble upon, I hate to say a great niche, because that's kind of what I'm talking against, but I did happen to get into a good niche. But getting into a good niche isn't enough. You still have to build a business. You still have to market the business. You still have to know how to advertise the business. My problem with winning niches and winning products is, yeah, you can make some money with them, but they're going to come and go, or they're going to come and competition's going to come in. And if all you have going for you is a winning product or a winning niche, which I don't even necessarily even believe in those terms, but if that's all you have going for you, you're going to have a little bit of success in either that winning product is going to die out, that winning niche is going to die out, like hoverboards, like fidget spinners, or competition is going to come in and they're going to undercut you on price or do a better job of marketing, or people are going to start buying that items on platforms like an Amazon or eBay instead of going to your store. There's a lot of things that are going to happen, but if that's all you are is a winning product or a winning niche, you're not going to last for very long. You're not going to stick around for very long. You're going to have to continually be on the lookout for another new winning product, another new winning niche. And like this guy says, right, he's been at it for a long time. And if it's that difficult to find a winning product or a winning niche, as soon as you start and have sex, as soon as you have sex with one, as soon as you have success with one, eventually it's going to die out, and then you're on to having to find the next hot new niche. And that's kind of why I stopped messing with Amazon, is because unless you're running like a full-fledged business, you're pretty much just hopping from one product onto the next until competition comes in and sabotages your niche, or that product dies out, or whatever else. So really, like, think of Shopify as building an actual business, right? Think of this as something long-term that you're going to stick with for a long time. Think about why people should buy from you, why people should buy from you instead of somebody else, why they should buy from you instead of Amazon, and build an actual business, market that business, be able to deliver the value behind your product or your brand or whatever you're selling, and don't just rely on a fad product, a winning niche, a winning product, because those things are going to come and go, and you're constantly going to be having to jump from one to the next. It's a lot harder to start something sustainable and long lasting, but you're not constantly going to be jumping from one to the next. So that's why I see a lot of people failing at Shopify. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Have any of you guys kind of been on the bandwagon of jumping from product to product or niche to niche? Let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.